Camel AI Review 2025. Is this LLM platform actually worth using or it's just hype? So let's find out and make sure to like and subscribe. Camel AI is a rising player in the LLM space, known for its open agent framework and autonomous research agents. So here's my experience after testing it for a week. First off, the UI is clean and developer friendly. It lets you deploy agents that reason, plan, and even collaborate with other AIs. Setup takes a bit of time, but it's well documented. I tested Camel AI for tasks like data analysis, document summarization, and building simple workflows, and it performed surprisingly well, especially when handling multi-step logics. The standout feature, the agent-to-agent collaboration. You can assign different roles like developer, product manager, or researcher, and they work together to solve a goal. It's almost like simulating a mini team. While, however, it's not perfect, the agents sometimes go off track or repeat tasks. You will need to prompt carefully or apply constraints. And Camel AI is open source and free to try, but you will need your own compute or API keys to scale. And for advanced users or devs, it's a gold mine. For beginners, the learning curve may be steep, but you can learn it perfectly. So, for final verdict, if you are into LLM dev, multi-agent workflows, or custom AI systems, Camel AI is worth diving into. It's not plug and play, but it's incredibly promising. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.